Due to continuous rain, flood situation worsened in Assam. More than 2 lakh people affected by the flood. At present, 512 villages are underwater and almost 5,147 hectares of crop areas have been damaged. On the other hand, the rise of the Brahmaputra river's water level is becoming another threat to the people of Assam. Roads, bridges, houses and other infrastructure have been damaged by floodwaters in Assam. Along with flood, erosion and landslides are also arising questions to the lives of the people of Assam. According to the ASDMA, the worst affected 6 districts are Lakhimpur, Majuli, Dhemaji, Bongaigaon, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia. News Desk Report, reporteraxom.
আপুনি চাই আছে ৰিপৰ্টাৰ অসম।